Hey, also this is a video on Flipgrid, which can be a really good tool with your students. So you can go to the educator login. It goes through Google. It's really simple. You're going to create grids for your classes. So I have mine from last year where each class period got a grid. You can create a new grid by just going through and saying what is it that you're going to have it be. Do you want the students to join through their school email, which is definitely what you want in this case. You don't really want, a list of the student IDs, like you just want students to be able to join. And they will have to join with this, but it is something that they'll be able to do pretty easily. So when I'm looking in one of my grids, I'm going to share the flip code. So I can go through and share it with, let's go shoot through share settings. Oh, this is me as a student. Okay, never mind. So I can go through and share, there we go, that's what I wanted. And I can share it to my Google Classroom. I can also put this link in and have the students go. Once they're joined, they'll be able to be in there, and you're going to want to share to Google Classroom any topic that you create here, just so that you have that. You can also export data so you can see which students are working and what they've been doing on here. So the big thing is once you go into a class period, you're going to add a topic. Your recording times are anywhere from 15 seconds to 5 minutes. 5 minutes is a lot of time. It always seemed like that wouldn't be such a big deal. They have it set as a normal feature for 1 minute and 30 seconds. And really that's a good amount of time for students to be talking about their work. If you're a music teacher or something else like that, you may want to have them do the 5 minutes, but the 1 minute, 30 seconds is really a good amount of time. When you go into the more options, this is where you get some more information. So typically when students, go into a topic and create a video, once they click save, all of the students will be able to see what it is that they did. You may want that because you can do student-to-student replies where they will go through and give each other feedback, or you might want to keep them hidden. So you can add in video moderation so that you'll have to go in and approve them if you want to. If you don't want to approve them, you don't have to. You can let them have video editing. These video features are things that the students definitely like, where they can see the view count, the video title, sticky notes are like little stickers and stuff. Oh no, the sticky notes are like where they would have what they're talking about. They can give feedback, that sort of stuff, and then you would go through and create the topic. And then what I said before, with every time you're going to want to share it, so then you're going to share this to your Google Classroom. You can go through and, add topic guests. You can duplicate topic. So if you wanted to do the same topic in all of your class periods, you would just go through, and you do have to duplicate it individually for each of them, but it'll go through the whole thing. And you'll be able to, if you've already had a class do it, you can just share the topic. If you wanted to have, one class see the examples of another class, you could have the featured responses shared as well. But those are just some options. It's a really good thing. Play around with it, see what you like about it, and ask me any questions that you have. Thanks.